Today I'm doing a school morning routine. It's like 7:30ish. Got like half an hour. I leave my house at 8. So I've got like half an hour. I'm gonna be showing you my bit of a like morning routine plus my makeup and hair, whatever I do. Today I've got own clothes day, so that is why I'm choosing to do it today, because I just feel like more chilled. So yeah, I just woke up. Yeah, I'm really tired. So this is my outfit choice. Got my white basic ASAP Rocky hoodie, which is from Cold Prince, and I got my Fashion Nova jeans. I'm wearing a white hoodie, so I'm really not trying to do much makeup today. I'm gonna show you guys what I do for my hair every single day. My hair is like this length, and if I don't straighten it, it just goes really puffy. This is like straightened after a day. This is what I do. I part my hair down the middle, like so. Take this brush and brush it, and it goes really frizzy. It's not even that frizzy right now, but it goes frizzy. At the back of my head, and it looks like that. Then I get this. It's like a donut bun thing, and I put it on my head, on my ponytail like that. So first headband, I just use to do like this, so then hair surrounding the bun. And then the second one I use for the actual hair that's like coming out of the bun. And then there you go. I don't even know if it looks nice, but yeah. Then if I'm feeling a bit extra, which I am today because we're filming a video, hairspray. This is the Got To Be Glued Blasting Freeze spray, and a little toothbrush, which is my like hair toothbrush, so I use it for like hair. Yeah, that was pretty self-explanatory. Just to smooth it down. Easiest hairstyle ever. It's slick. It takes like 2 seconds, but it looks like it took you long. Yeah, that is my everyday school hairstyle, especially if you've got short hair. For my makeup, I'm just putting some lip balm on. It's like lip cream. So then I take my school makeup bag, and this is my school makeup bag. It's from MAC. So this is my fresh face without makeup. I look super pale. I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup to enhance. I've got to put a bit of musical. First thing I use is my eyebrows, Glossier Boy Brow. As you can see, my eyebrows are quite thick as it is, so I don't feel the need to like fill them in or whatever. So I'm just brushing them through. I feel like it's kind of a pointless step because I don't really need to do stuff to my eyebrows, but at the same time I just want to do a bit of something. Literally did nothing. Put some glow to my face with the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. And I'm using the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. Look for any areas where I have a little bit of spots. I want to get the full version of this because it's actually so good. I blend it in with my finger. I just can't be really arsed. It's in the morning, I can't be arsed. And I feel like it just gets it in really quickly. So now my skin's a little more even. I'm gonna bronze. I use the NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt. I'll go below it and go like that. I like to if you think back to when you're tanned and when you're really tan, I always get really tanned like here specifically. I start by bronzing there when I bronze my forehead. I'm gonna put a little bit of highlight on my nose. And I put a bit of the Fenty Gloss Bomb. And I'm using 2 clips because, as you can see, I get a little like... I'm gonna do a bit of freckles because I feel like this video is just so boring, and not that it makes it any more exciting, but something at least. So now I'm just gonna tidy my room, I think. Pack my bag for school and go. But this is my everyday school makeup. Yeah, this is my hair routine, at least for short hair, because I don't like wearing it down. Rest the makeup. And I put it all back in here. By the way guys, I'm gonna be like reorganizing my room, so I think I'm gonna do a video on that and do like redoing my room and room tour and makeup collection, because I made a room tour and a lot of you guys were triggered because it was so messy. So let's do a little what's in my school bag. So my school bag is basic as fuck. It's from Nike. I don't know why that took me so long. And yeah, this is my pencil case. It's from WH Smith. It's very basic. Got what I need, gets the job done, lab. One sec. What are you wearing? Ah. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and you know what, I'm gonna brush my teeth on camera because I know a lot of you are like, oh my god, she's not brushing her teeth.